Okay, here you see the parts, unopened, not used at all. This is the part that is wrong for this engine, this motor. This part doesn't exist in this kind of motor, this type of motor at all. This works. This is perfect. This is exactly what I need. But this, sorry, it's wrong for the car, for the motor. Let me show you here. Just give me a second to clean my hands. I don't know if you can see. Let me see if I can get closer. Oh, sorry. So, gonna focus in on it. Hopefully that is gonna work. You see, it's the old kind of valve system here, with the rocker arms and the rocker arm pushing directly on the valve shaft here. So this, in a modern car, modern engine, this would replace this system entirely, completely. So this got to be to a newer motor or something, or just plain wrong in your database. But I will try to locate. I think it might be this number here. You want the chassis number for it. Let me see if I can zoom in on it. Probably not very good, but I will write it down and send it to you in my email. Okay, thanks. Hope this helps a little. Bye bye.